I'd like to thank SIPMM faculty for their dedication and providing you with a memorable learning experience. I would like to thank members of the executive team, the advisory board, the academic and examination boards, as well as the administrative team who worked so hard to ensure the success of this ceremony. We must not forget those who have given immense support to our graduates. It is now my honor, on behalf of SIPMM and as Rector of Ceremony, to declare SIPMM graduation ceremony officially open.
We need to dream big, to dare to dream, dare to do, and most important, you have to deliver. At the end of the day, it's what you deliver. All the dreaming and doing will not be enough if we cannot deliver on our promises. We have to dream, do, and deliver. So the journey from dreaming to delivery, often long and arduous. You will need determination to get it done.
This applies to both your professional and personal lives. Stay hungry, stay curious. Never close any doors, burn any bridges, and always create options for the future. And finally, as someone has already mentioned, pay it forward to the community that has supported you along the way. Let me end by saying no one can predict what the future will hold, but if we are prepared to adapt, we can keep ourselves in the game. As the late Lee Kuan Yew once said, Singapore is too small to change the world, but we can change as the world changes, be agile and nimble. We can stay relevant. I congratulate you on your achievements and wish you well in all your future endeavors. Thank you very much.
The potential we have unlocked, the progress we have achieved, and the persistence we have carried through has earned us this moment. It sometimes feels like balancing on a unicycle against the wind. Yet, every trial that we endure transforms this victory into something truly special. When many fireflies come together, their light becomes a Christmas tree in the forest night. May we do the same, continuing to shine with curiosity, positivity, and courage no matter what lies ahead.
My name is Anna Lee Chen En. I have completed Diploma in Procurement and Supply Management. After several years in the workforce, I find that it was the right timing for me to refresh my knowledge and learn with zeroing mindset to rebuild my foundation and stay updated with the current procurement practices. During that time, I researched and compared several institutions, looking at the background of the school, professional field, and course outlines. At the end, I find that SIPM, because of the strong focus on procurement, logistics, and supply chain courses, which best suited my expectations.
I shall start off with a quote that I deeply resonate with. It is from the ancient Greek philosopher Heraclitus. The only constant in life is change. This is especially prominent in the working society of Singapore. We have to constantly upgrade our skills, our qualification to stay ahead in the game. I'm honored to have such like-minded classmates undertaking this diploma with me. Be the change that you wish to see in the world. Congratulations to the graduating class of 2025. Thank you.
My name is Kenny Tan. I have just graduated from the Diploma in Procurement and Supply Management. Due to my background that is originally in industrial research, so I'm actively searching for a course that is able to teach me the knowledge that I need to carry out my work effectively on a daily basis. Then someone from our logistics department recommended this course to me, and it happens that my boss is also a graduate from the same institute, so I took it up. From the course, actually, I learned things like MRP, BOM, and reorder point, fixed order quantity, which helped me effectively to replenish the stock required as a procurement officer. And also, it allows me to identify gaps in our warehouse process and optimize it.
Let's carry forward the value we have built here at SIPMM: integrity, professionalism, and the spirit of continuous improvement. And lastly, to our families and friends and mentors, thank you. Thank you for your patience, your encouragement, and your faith in us. You were our silent strength throughout this journey, and today's achievement belongs to you just as much as it belongs to us.
I pursue this qualification to deepen my logistic knowledge and strengthen my foundation. With several years in operation, I wanted a structured understanding and a formal credential to support my career growth. The SIPMM qualification improved my structured approach to logistics, strengthened my planning and service provider management skills, and helped me use the data to handle issues more effectively. Balancing family, work, and study was challenging, but the support of my lecturers, course-mates, colleagues, and family helped me complete the qualification successfully.
Our journey doesn't stop here. It only changes direction. Our abilities may have limits, but our possibilities are limitless when we stay hungry to learn, humble to grow, and hopeful for what's ahead. Let's continue to raise the bar, lead with integrity, and make every challenge our next breakthrough. After all, we don't just succeed the course, we conquered it. Congratulations, class of 2025, we made it.
It has boosted my confidence and I am able to contribute at work more effectively, and my management and the manager able to recognize it as well. I am really confident that it's preparing me for something bigger in my career. But it really helps me to aim higher than I never thought I could. The challenges I faced was juggling work, studies, and personal responsibilities. My weekend turned into work study, and then those long nights we have to submit projects and meet the deadlines.
We shall now invite the rector for the closure of the graduations proceeding.
The journey does not stop here. Be a doer, go out and practice what you learn. And in the process of doing, you need to deliver, dream, achieve beyond what you think you're capable, and be decisive. Above all this, we need to care and share. Stay curious, stay humble, and don't stop learning. Be the change in the world. It is now my honor, on behalf of SIPMM and as Rector of Ceremony, to declare SIPMM Graduation Ceremony 2025 officially closed.
Hip hip!